Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a business presentation using the Canva website. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to head to the Canva website. So from here, we need just to go to the website and then make sure you're logging in to your account. And from here, we need just to create our presentation. So you have two ways to create your own presentation. Either you are going to create a blank design or a blank presentation and you start designing it from scratch. Like this, you will have a plain one. And from here, either you can start just using layouts without like having already some templates or ready templates and start searching for layouts that are going to be useful for your presentation, such these. And for each page, you are going to give it some kind of layouts like that or anything else. And from here, you can start modifying it. Otherwise, you can just go to the templates place here from the menu or the home page. We will find this nav bar and you will need just to click on templates. From here, you can search for business presentation. So here we can see these categories, and from here we can find these tags or keywords. So we are just going to click on presentation and we are going to click on the business. And from here, we can just search for presentation. And as you can see, those are our business presentations that we can rely on or that we are going to use. And if you still don't find whatever you are searching for, you can add a presentation from here. So here in the research, just type business presentation, and from here you can start using any presentation that you find suitable for your topic. And you can just click on customize, and from here you can start adding and customizing from these presentations or from these templates. And after that, you can just click on share, and then you can download it and have your own business presentation. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.